So welcome to the C++ program. Today I would like to teach you how to download one software. It's called Dev C++ program. You type here, okay. I go to another one. I go to Google, go Dev C++, and I can hit here. I set it, okay. I download it. Maybe it takes for a short time for it. Maybe it's starting download. Okay, it already download directory. Download it. I use mostly I use Baidu browser to do it. Maybe some guy you can use your own browser and download it. One is downloading. It is downloading. You can install it automatically. Okay, you wait for a short while to see how it's processed. Yes, it's almost done. And after we install it and we start to write some code. Okay, it's all done. So I start to install it. Okay, you have to click. It's okay to the software. Okay, we wait. Please wait. Setting loading. Okay, already you click OK. And after you click agree, and after that you click all the default. You can save it in the program file. Now it's starting downloading. When it's download, you can now go to check my channel. I have many channel. This is my own channel. My channel is very good. My channel is talking about the C++ program. Mostly I write in the website. We call the cpp.sh to write in this code, but now I would like to show you one simple and we can use it. But now already done. Yeah, this is my lesson. You can come here and subscribe my channel to get more. I will show you more next step. My lesson is very simple for everyone to understand it. Okay, ready for this? Maybe okay, there finish. Before we going to start of it, we should okay, click next. Okay, before you write it, you can click here to new source. Already done. Okay, now I would like to go to some setting. Maybe go to setting. I go to some tool. Okay, some tool. Change for the font. Okay, maybe some environment option. Okay, go to some tool directory or what here to general. You can to increase it about 18. Okay, bigger, more. Okay, first we write it. Okay, this is a simple okay, I don't save it yet. Okay, simple program. Then we have to put header file include IO stream. Okay, using namespace std. We're in main. Okay, return 0. Use cout. So hello world. Okay, just execute it. You can come to execute and come to run. F10. You say okay. You save app. You can write. Okay, yes, some wrong using namespace std. Okay, you say namespace is wrong. Sorry for this. Again, run it. I show you that this one, the result is hello world. Thanks for this. This is a good one. You can try it. Thanks. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.